heard of birds in the belfry in churches? Well, guess what? We have a bird in our chimney this morning. Okay, good day, folks. A very unusual video coming to you this morning. You have all heard of birds in the belfry in churches. Well, guess what? We have a bird in our chimney this morning. There was a lot of birds on the roof here this morning when I was up enjoying my first cup of coffee, and one somehow got down into the chimney, and it's sitting right here somewhere. Every now and then I can hear it. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to disconnect the chimney right here, take out a couple of screws, and hopefully get the bird that's sitting in there out, and hopefully I might be able to catch it and safely take it outside. So anything could happen here this morning, folks. So bear with me. So here we go. I'm just taking out the set screw that keeps that elbow on. Now, hopefully I can get it apart. Now, I gotta double check to see if there's any more set screws. Let me go around the stove. There's a collar there. Listen, I can hear the bird in there. I'm trying to get this apart. Oh, there's another set screw, that's why. Okay, so here we go. Let me take out that set screw that's at the back. Okay. All right, now, Miss Katie, you want to zoom in, but be careful. We don't want you to get injured. I'll set those two set screws there. We could get a flying bird going into church here in a minute. Oh. I'm just trying to get it apart. It's there. I can hear him. Now, okay, it's all this chimney is on rather tight, so it's going to be a bit of a job to get this apart. Okay, I got it there now. I think I can do it. Now, I don't think he's in this piece. Okay, you got him? Okay, there he is. Okay, he's okay. Now we just got to try to get him out. Okay, he's trying to get it through the window. All right, follow me, Katie, and I'll try to get this window. Maybe I'll catch him. Okay, I got him. All right, there you go. That's unusual today, isn't it? We had a bird trapped in our chimney, and I had to take the chimney apart. So here we go. I'm going to let the guy go. Miss Katie is doing our filming this morning. So here's the bird that was in our chimney. Good morning, sir. And you seem to be fine, but you need to go outside. So we're going to take you out now. Okay, follow me, Miss Katie. Down through the old church, 5 Acre Homestead. And we're going to let this guy go outside. Okay, here we go. It's a rainy old mozzie day. So let's go outside. Okay. All right, here we go. Here he goes. Well, that was quite exciting here this morning, here at the old church, 5 Acre Homestead. Birds in a belfry are quite common at churches, but not birds in a chimney. That was quite interesting. This is our Pacific Energy wood stove, folks, that we've had installed here at the old church now for a couple of years now. And as I said, I had to take apart the chimney this morning to get that bird out safely. And now it's gone out and it's reconnected with its family members, I suppose, with its flock. So hopefully it's doing well out there. Thank you very much for tuning into this very unusual video this morning from GBL-The Ole Church, 5 Acre Homestead. Have a blessed day, folks, and we'll see you in another video very soon. You never know what's going to be happening here at the old church, I can tell you that. Take care, folks. Mr. Garry, signing out. Very unusual indeed, indeed, indeed. That's our chimney. Now I gotta put this all back together, and I'll do that off camera, of course. There you go. A bit of excitement here this morning.